fourplex or villas. Hard to see with the snow we got, but I'll take a look at it. Bid's due in like by the 25th, so I got a couple weeks yet to get the snow to melt. Better look at what I'm working with. One thing I need to find out is if you come in at this center island with this shrubbery, I don't know if that needs to be included in the quote. It wasn't very specific. I'm assuming it does. Anybody having experience with that? And would they guess that it does? There's a lot of just open grass. It's time-consuming mowing. And then also, of course, they want quotes for additional stuff like gutter cleaning, raking the mulch up after it's installed, stuff like that. So give me your thoughts. I don't know, kind of new to the commercial apartment bidding. Brake light on here. So I'm gonna throw my hat in the ring, see what happens. I'm bidding a little bit high, and it's the worst that can happen. Just say no. Okay. Hey guys, one thing I forgot to mention on that last bid. It's for the annual annual contract for lawn care, landscaping, and then FERTs. But I'm gonna opt out on the FERT part. You don't have to bid all of them. If you aren't licensed to do fertilizer, you don't have to bid it. But I'm assuming, because I'm not licensed to do fertilizer and have no desire to be anytime soon, that means I'm gonna opt out. That probably excludes me. I'm not sure. So I'm still gonna throw my hat in the ring, but they may be looking for a one-stop shop, I would assume. The other thing is, it's 30 days. It's a 30-day notice. If they or me are not happy with something, we can give a 30-day written notice and the contract's null and void. So I guess that's the other part of it. If I realize that I way underbid it, I can get out. Okay, thanks.